Premium tools and services to consider. Selligent. Selligent is an omnichannel marketing cloud-based automation tool with powerful email marketing capabilities that are easy to use and highly effective at engaging customers with personalized messages that can be created in minutes across multiple channels and that are optimized in real time. It provides users with a simple email creation process, testing and optimization features, automated deployments, and security. Sendloop. Sendloop is an email marketing automation tool that will allow you to better refine your scheduled campaigns by helping you to target the right people. It does so by funneling subscribers into very specific campaigns according to their browsing habits on your business website. Sendloop's features include automated customer follow-ups, automated tailored content, and affordable enterprise-level email marketing capabilities. BombBomb. BombBomb is an email marketing tool that will allow you to give your emails a more professional and more humanized look with simple yet great-looking video backgrounds, which will help your emails to stand out. BombBomb also offers you tracking, scheduling, canned responses, reminders, and a dedicated email marketing platform. Drip. Drip is an intelligent email marketing automation tool that is being increasingly adopted by email marketers around the world. It is designed to streamline the drip email process with email gathering technology, pre-made templates, drag-and-drop design elements, and integrated social media advertising features. Kissmetrics. Kissmetrics is a behavioral analysis and email marketing automation tool that will help you to analyze, segment, and engage your potential customers and existing clients from a single platform. And it works by getting insights about your target customers' behaviors, segmenting said customers within specific populations, and then engaging them with conversion-oriented email campaigns. Infusionsoft. Infusionsoft is an email marketing automation tool that doubles as a general task manager. That means that besides automating your drip email campaigns, it will also allow you to manage daily campaign to-dos and appointments, and it will also inform you about which contacts you will need to follow up on at any given time. Emma. Emma is a digital email marketing platform that makes it easy to create beautiful, results-driven marketing emails that are designed to gather client relationship and sales data. Then it uses this data to personalize emails based on specific client behavior criteria. We recommend this tool to those managing email campaigns for e-commerce sites. HubSpot. HubSpot is an integrated email marketing automation tool that can help you to further streamline your email marketing efforts through automated workflows. It provides you with client relationship data insights, a marketing hub, a sales hub, and a customer hub that will help you to run more successful campaigns, to shorten deal cycles, and to make your overall email marketing campaigns more humane. Acton. Acton is the perfect email marketing automation platform for very large companies that need to manage several different inbound, outbound, and lead nurturing programs at the same time with an automated marketing ecosystem that integrates them all for maximum performance and returns. Calidus Cloud. Calidus Cloud is a lead scoring platform that will help you to identify potential customers, unqualified ones, and high-risk leads by automating the lead qualifying process.